So the first thing I really have to mention is that algo trading requires work as well. A lot of people think that when they start trading with robots, they'll just put them on the chart and they will enjoy their life while the robots make money for them. Fortunately, that's not the case, and there is some work to be done. Same thing when you're doing YouTube videos or you are an online instructor like me. Usually my friends and others think, oh, he has no boss on his head and he's just enjoying his life. True, I'm enjoying my life, but there's a lot of work behind the scene, okay? Not only shooting the videos, there is editing, there are captions, there is the scenario of the videos, how we structure the courses or the videos, and it's a lot of work. Actually, it's a lot more than you can imagine, but I really enjoy doing that and spending my free time in recording videos and recording my training. Same thing with the robots and algo trading. There is a lot of work to be done before you put the robot on the chart and start trading with them. You need to backtest them, you need to have a robustness test, you need to perform different demo and live testing on different brokers. It's a lot of work that I already have done and I'm doing daily, especially with the robots that I share in my videos, in my courses, and this is because I want to share trusty robots. However, there is always a risk. Even the robot performs well until the moment, it could start losing in the future. And same thing when using manual strategies. You can make profits until one moment and then start losing with the very same strategy because the market changed. And quite often people buy robots and at one moment they say it stopped working. It stopped working because the market changed, not because the robot is not working anymore. It's still opening and closing trades when there are the signals, but the markets change and you cannot really expect the same results day after day on the forex market, on the crypto market, or on the stock market. The market changes, so you need to be flexible with the robots, and this is why I do a lot of work daily to maintain the robots up to date and to use them for my trading. So that's the first thing you need to have in mind when you are thinking about algo trading versus manual trading. Both have this concern that the manual strategy or the robot might stop working at one moment, and this is one more time because the markets change.